Hi there. Today I want to teach you about how to breathe properly. This will help you in this is like a great reset practice that I do. Use this if you're getting stressed out with your kids, you're stressed out in the car from driving. I know a lot of my friends, they drive all day long, so it can be a stressful environment. And this is something that's really simple. It only takes a few minutes out of your day. So what you want to do is get comfortable as much as you can. If you're driving, take it easy, keep your eyes on the road. But what you want to do is take a deep breath in. Now, when we breathe, most people breathe very shallowly. What we want to do is we want to breathe all the way down, and you want to imagine pushing your diaphragm down so that it fills up this space here. These chakras right down here are the most important. You have your sacral, your root chakra. These are really important chakras for grounding, for centering, for getting you back in your body, to get you connected so that you're not stressing out and you can make good decisions. So what we want to do is we want to breathe, take a deep breath in, and imagine your belly kind of pushing out a little bit as you breathe in, okay? And just do that a couple times. So and when you breathe out, your hand is almost going to push back into your spine. So breathe out, and I'm going to exaggerate this a little bit for you to see, but so see how the picture of my shirt kind of went in? That's what you want to do, okay? So what you're going to do is we're going to do, it's called a 16-second breath count. So what we're going to do is we're going to breathe in for 4 seconds. You're going to hold it for 4 seconds, and then you're going to breathe out for 4 seconds, and then you're going to hold it for 4 seconds. And let's try that now, okay? So you're going to take a deep breath in, and you can do what I'm doing. You can put your hand on your heart chakra and on your sacral chakra, and take a deep breath in, and hold for 4 seconds. 3, 4, and let go for 4 seconds. 4, and now hold your breath for 4 seconds. And let's repeat that. And if you repeat that 4 times, this will recenter you. So let's try it one more time with you. I'm going to count. 1, 2, breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4. And hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. And just repeat that 4 more times, and that will be a lifesaver. You will start to feel more connected. You will relax. Your cells will relax. Your body will relax. And you're going to feel a lot better. So use this anytime you're feeling like you're starting to get stressed out. Okay? Namaste, my friends. Take care, and take care of yourself.